Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to edit tags on Asana. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to go ahead and fix this tag because there was a spelling mistake. How do you actually go ahead about doing so? Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now, in order to do this, what you're first going to do is log on to Asana. Next, you're going to go ahead and click on the tag which you want to go ahead and edit. Next, you're going to click on this drop-down menu where it says Actions. And on this page here, you can also rename the tag. So let's go ahead and fix the spelling mistake here. You could also set the color for the tag. So if you want to change the color, let's change it to yellow. And there you have it. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and edit a tag on Asana. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.